Alright, so I've just loosened the 4 screws on the side. I took out the top and I had to actually unplug the oxygen sensor, and I had to loosen this little bracket up right here to get it out because I got my HIDs right here. I don't want to fuck them up. So here we go. Alright, so we got the AEM dry flow air filter right here. I got this online on Amazon for I don't know, about 50 bucks. But it's a dry flow air filter, no oil. I've had oil ones in the past and it just messed with the mass airflow sensor, so I really didn't want to do an oil one. But this AEM, it's for the GMC Yukon, and it fits in a bunch of different models too. So if you take a look, Silverados, Escalades, Sierras, and then they got a picture of what the material looks like. So these are their claims. Alright, so let's put it in. Oh, actually, let's stick it in first. Wow! Look at that. Kind of looks like K&N. So let's take it out and I'm gonna pop it in. Of course, I want to get some up close videos of this car. Come look at the edges. Edges look kind of sloppy, kind of fucked up. It's okay, I'm gonna break them off and just make it a little cleaner. There's a Prop 65 warning on this too, so apparently this might cause cancer or whatever. Alright, so it probably goes down this way. This way it hits the incoming air. This is the exterior, so well, at least this side looks good. This side looks good, so I wonder if anything's a little blue on here. I just popped it in, fit in perfectly. Edges are perfect. So now I'm just gonna put the top back on. Dirty as shit. I'm probably gonna wipe this shit off. Alright, give me a second, I'm gonna wipe this shit off. Alright, got Jimmy back in. I had to like lift this up into position, put these out of the way, get it in. Alright, so lastly I'm gonna tighten this. Back up. I'm gonna plug in the oxygen sensor. Pot! Tighten these screws right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we're gonna be done. We're gonna do a test drive of this. And this is the whole filter right here. No look too bad. Alright.